It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta. Today we're looking at the 2014 Buick Verano Premium. Taking a look inside the front of the Verano, we've got a really unique caramel-colored leather interior. The driver's door has power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, auto express windows, and the child lock button. You'll notice this car comes with a premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat and a power sunroof up above. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio buttons. Here's the digital dash. And this is Buick's infotainment center. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It also doubles as our backup camera. Here we have the hard buttons for the media options. We've also got the engine push start button, lane departure alert, traction control, hazard lights, power liftgate button, a CD player, heated front seats, and our climate control buttons. Down below we've got a power plug-in, a park brake, and 2 cup holders. At the front of the Verano we've got fog lights, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood, 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in an all-season tire. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, and the door handles have intelligent access, so as long as we've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we've got the power trunk. I'm going to use the key fob here, hold that button down to pop it open. And in the back, we've got a spacious trunk. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger car. The passenger door has power windows and door storage. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has 2 smaller storage compartments. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. So come take a look at the 2014 Buick Verano Premium today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.